Okay, here we are. I've had the Jumpter T16 for a couple months now, and simple answer to my question I'm posing, is this radio worth it? Yes, absolutely. I've had this for a couple months and could not be happier. The customizability of the Jumpter T16 compared to other radios is just unfathomable for the price point, and that's what's awesome. I mean, check this out.
Yahoo Telemetry ready.
I set up a Yahoo Telemetry script on here, and when I plug in my drone, what's great is all the statistics start coming in down here. Tells me the GPS, fixed lock. I don't have a battery plugged in, but it also gives all my battery statistics. And if you're
S3D fixed lock.
There you go.
Stabilize flight mode.
If you're interested on how I did this, how I set it up, I have tons of videos and stuff that you can go check it out. And I'm going to show flash some flight footage coming up here of this drone with this radio. But man, so impressed. If you're looking to buy one of these, don't hesitate. It's kind of like one of those things, just take my money because really I've been so happy with how I've got my T16 configured. And the usability, for example, like it's 2020 almost, people. Like every radio should have a nice big digital colored screen. It's like a no-brainer now. I don't understand why some of these radios that are coming out still use like black and white, like really low pixeled screens. We should be able to put nice LCD screens in here. So what have I loved the most about it, you might ask? Well, number one, the digital screen, and number two, the opportunity to send telemetry with readouts like this. That has been super helpful. Your ability to see what's going on is far greater when you have kind of colors popping at you and stuff like that, than if it's just like this black and white and you're kind of like searching, trying to figure out like what numbers mean what. This is just super easy when I'm looking down to see the battery percentage go down. And then also all this telemetry, it talks to me. It tells me, you know, when my battery's getting low, when I'm at 50%, when I'm at 40%, and I can customize and set all that up. And I know there's obviously other radios out there that can do this, but not for $200. Like this is the one. This is the radio. And what's another awesome thing I like about it is how many channels it has. 16 channel radio, and then I can fly my large Turret Sport with a Pixhawk using almost all 16 channels, and then I can turn around and fly a race quad with it. I mean, it's just so versatile in that regard. Another thing I like about it is you're able to plug it right into flight simulators, use it as a trainer on your computer, and that's really a nice feature as well. So all in all, again, perfect setup, love it. Go buy one. Links are in the description for where you can pick them up. And if you're interested in learning more about what I'm doing with my Jumpter T16, my other drones, and just things I'm doing here in my garage, I build everything from home, try to figure things out. So go ahead, subscribe, and we'll see you around.